Hello, this video will show you how to participate in the online room selection process at Winona State University. This quick tutorial will help you navigate the process with confidence. Before we get started, here are a few important tips to help you prepare. Number 1, we recommend you use a computer or laptop to select your room. Number 2, check your housing portal to find out your room selection time slot. Number 3, explore different residence halls through the Explore Housing page on our website. Number 4, have a backup option, especially if you're hoping for suite-style halls. They fill up fast. We suggest having your top 3 choices prepared in case your preferred hall is full when you get in to select a room. Number 5, review your housing agreement to make sure you understand your responsibilities. Number 6, log into your housing portal prior to room selection to make sure that your STAR ID and password is up to date. To begin, go to winona.edu, select Current Students, then E-Services. From there, open up the housing portal. You will then click on the purple button titled Room Selection Info. You'll see a video and floor plan preview. Click through to continue. If you haven't done so already, you'll need to complete the acknowledgement and release statement before proceeding. Now it's time to shop for your room. And don't worry, it's a lot like online shopping. Use filters to narrow your search by residence hall, room features like a sink, and more. Click Show Room Info to view semester rates, room dimensions, and availability. If you're selecting alone, look for rooms that already have other students and just choose an open bed. In a roommate group, look for one double room with 2 beds available. Once you find a room, add it to your cart. You'll have 10 minutes to complete the process. Double check that you have the right number of beds for your group and assign each person a bed. If you're in a suite-style hall and want a single room, make sure to select 2 separate rooms and only add 1 bed to your cart. After assigning beds, go ahead and confirm your booking. This is final. If you want to go change rooms later, you'll need to submit a room change request. Once you have a room assignment, you'll be able to choose your meal plan, schedule your check-in appointment, and don't forget to order your hall t-shirt. And that's all. If you have any questions, reach out to Housing and Residence Life. Email us at housing@winona.edu or call us at 507-457-5305.